Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and we're going to get right into this video. So y'all, I had, the chance to go ahead and watch Jasmine's video where she actually did, the little food haul thing or whatever. Now, Jasmine, this is one of the typical reasons why people say that you are slow. This is one of those reasons right here. You summed it up. You showed us. Every time we see why people call you slow. All right. This right here is a prime example. So Jasmine went ahead on, to tell us what she actually purchased from, the market, supermarket, whatever you guys call it. She showed us the food items. All right. So then Jasmine decides to, and let me say this, the video that I did before this, where, Jasmine was talking about, her vajayjay, whether she said that was, an orgasm that basically came out, and if we don't have that, then it must be something wrong with us or whatever. But look, check this out. So you said what you said, or whatever. You know as well as I know, Jasmine, that shit down there is not supposed to be looking like that at all. What you need to do is you should be on the first thing smoking on Monday coming up to go see a GYN. You need to see one as soon as possible. If they can make home visits, all right, please get them to come over to your house like CPS come over to your house on, every other day during the week, please. You are going to need service immediately. Now let's get right on into it. Now, you went home, you must have knew that something wasn't, right about it or whatever, because it's no way in the world, Jasmine. What you did was, you was like probably thinking like, damn, these bitches know that I am really a funk box now. So how am I going to go ahead and, take that away from the internet? You can't, Jasmine. You can't at all. And then what you just did, it made it look even more crazy. Yes, it did. So you mean to tell me, Jasmine, that, hold up, y'all. So Jasmine, you mean to tell me you did a haul of food and you actually had to show us, I think it's called the Summer Eve, all right, for, to get your funk box down there back in order. Jasmine, why would you show that to us? Why? This is what we mean by show what you should and not everything. When you show that to us, and people's minds, at least in my mind, I'm thinking like, ew, this lady is fucking dirty as shit down there. Like, oh, like I'm thinking of, like the fish smell, like right away. Like I myself don't want to do no seafood, bulls or anything until December is over. Like the way people were describing your shit, that it looked like disgust, that it looked like taco meat, and you had the nerve to get on to your to your channel and read the comments that people were saying about you. Like, Jasmine, these people, like you talk about, you get what I'm saying, the reactors don't do shit to you. The only thing we do is talk about what you fucking put out. Your fucking subbies and your trolls, they are the ones who be dragging the fuck out of you. And like you bitches like to say, dragging the fuck out of a black woman, they are the ones dragging a fuck out of a black woman. All right? We are just telling, with the story of what you put out. Just like when y'all come on here and y'all say, oh, dragging a black woman, that right there, you're reacting when you say that. So come on now, when 21 come in, please stop the bullshit. Just please. All right, just let it go, because you guys are all doing the same exact thing. And then when you guys do it, please come better. Like, come better, because how y'all are in a video, y'all are fucking sad. Y'all have no feelings. Y'all have no type of excitement. Y'all have nothing. Y'all are point blank boring as fuck. All right. Yeah, and I said it. Who gonna check me? Not none of you bitches. But anyway. Yeah, so I'm like, I know that she did not just show her what out of that food haul, what she washes her funk box with. Yes, she did. When I tell y'all, I was literally looking at the screen. I even went head on and, rewinded it back just to make sure that your girl was seeing what she was seeing. And I was seeing that. And with me seeing that, I was seeing too damn much. Like, that is along the lines, Jasmine, whereas though we had told you about using the bathroom while we're on the phone, washing your hands. That was along those lines. You should have already picked up on that and saying, you were dragged for that. But better yet, you decided to go head on and incorporate something that you are getting ready to think that you are going to fix your funk box. But that right there, the way the people are describing it, I don't think so. I think that you need to go to the GYN. And they need to give you some prescribed medication. You might need a topical, and you may very well need some pills to go down. I'm thinking to myself, that is exactly what you are going to need. Chris, if I was you, until she got the funk box together, we wouldn't be doing anything at all. You get what I'm saying? I wouldn't even be sleeping facing forward to her if I was you, Chris. I think you guys should sleep his back against yours and your back against his, all right? Because right now, the shit that is being said about Jasmine and her funk box, yeah, it's kinda really, really crazy. I don't even know, Chris, how you were able to sit there and listen to Jasmine speaking on her funk box. Listen to all of the actual comments that she was reading from other people. If I was you, Chris, I would have been over there like this. Phone rang. Hello? Here go Jasmine. Who's that? It's my sister. What's up, sis? What's going on? Look, I'm going to need your help. I'm going to need you to go over to Jasmine's channel right now. She's in a live. Click on in the live. You get what I'm saying? And let me know what you think I should actually do. I think I got my mind all made up or whatever, but this right here, you get what I'm saying, sis, is some crazy ass shit. You get me? Like, I done walked past yesterday where she was doing a food haul or whatever, and she even had the Summer's Eve stuff to clean herself out with. But prior to that, you get what I'm saying, people putting pictures out about her vagina, people saying that it looked like she need to go to the hospital or whatever. And then, like I said, I pop up, walk past the kitchen, and I see she got the Summer's Eve stuff right there. So look at here, sis. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to think. All I know is this shit right here, this is not all right. You get me? But what I want you to do, sis, go ahead on over there, get in her live, and tell me exactly what you think. All right? All right, later, sis. Yeah, that's exactly how Chris was with his sister. All right. So, I mean, I don't know, Jasmine, how you are going to go ahead and fix this, but I do know that Chris probably is over there the whole entire weekend. He has been giving you the blues. I'm very sure of it. If not that, I already know that you have no money because you done probably had to get some weed for Chris. You done probably had to get him that young ass Crown Rule that he drinks. You done probably had to get I mean, you know, buy him probably another red shirt, probably go ahead and get him another hat. I already know. You were over there this weekend. I'm trying to tell you, you were breaking his balls. You definitely was breaking his balls. You were doing all types of things that you probably never have done in your life. But with that being said, Jasmine, I am going to go ahead and get off of here. And I will see you in the next video, because I already know this is not the end of the bullshit. There is going to definitely be some more bullshit, because it is Christmas and you are trying to get every single penny that you can, because you got to go ahead and get Chris that PlayStation. And I'm pretty sure Chris was on the phone and probably was thinking like, look, I ain't even going to be able to move quite yet. Let me just stay a little bit so I can get the PlayStation. And then after that, I'm out of here. But I already done had second thoughts. Remember that wedding where I wanted everybody to wear Jordans? No, there ain't none of that happening. Ain't none of that happening right now. It'll be a long time before I ask anybody to marry me. Yeah, Jasmine, I'm just trying to tell you because I can see through it. You feel me? But yeah, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Later.